Save the best for last. Maybe I didn't say it. Maybe that's what I was thinking. But anyways, Tiger's Arena. Right next to that bank I had. Oh, and guys, if you're wondering, this is pretty much the town square. That's more the end. Everything happened here. Decisions, even when I became mayor those freaking 5 times. Okay. Tiger's Arena. We'll start like this. Dun da 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 da. His arena. I went from that tree to that tree to originally that tree to that tree, and from whoa. He also marked your sticks from here to over here to over here. This was like the entrance and exit. There's the town square, my shop, that tree. Now, Tuggy then, obviously since I was the mayor, said, "Hey, Lavos, do you mind if I purchase more arenas so I can have a bigger battle?" I'm like, okay, where to? To right there eventually, and obviously included my bank and all. Original path went through his arena. We kind of converted it. It wasn't that hard. Like I said, we used sticks to mark the road. Now, quick little place. Right here was obviously Terry's house. Someone fucking stole it.
What?
Your tire.
No.
What?
No, the tire's not stolen. Here. Don't film it. I'll be right back.
Let's see Terry run. Yeah, we found a tire way up there in the farmland. And he put it pretty much here. You were able to stick your weapons. He had bar weapons. They were pretty shitty to use. Obviously, unless you were a quick fix. It obviously was advised to bring more than one, so you could keep fighting with one weapon. Here he comes, bringing it now. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. Stuck it pretty much in the spokes and all. It was actually not that far away. It was closer, but what the fuck? Sat on it. Obviously, the trees were right there.
Yeah, there was a tree.
Pretty much extended.
Our area was covered.
Yeah, they cut it down for some reason. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Great times. I'll show you one more place.
Are we going back up the hill?
No, I'm going to show them the resting area, meditation area where I once sat and just caught. Now, this is our road. This is pretty much the calm area. You sat here, relaxed, just kind of stared off in space, hung out here. It was right here. I have no idea how well you're going to be able to see this. So, ow. See? Just little water trickles.
I wish we had this sooner.
Shit, that must be new, by the way.
This would have worked. Remember when Matt made the fountain over there, except you had to manually lift it? He could have attached a string and made a pulley system with this.
Oh, yeah.
An old bike, too. We could have done that.
Anyways, the dam was right there. But as the water to flow a lot more, it would actually make a small trickle sound. Goes there. It's a nice little place to kind of sit here, rest, just talk. Here's a seat, a pipe they put in. Ooh, and there's, yes. Remember, we threw some balls in there, catch down the other side, over there.
Right.
And actually, that river goes all the way to the Hudson, for those who know what the hell that is.
Yay, the perimeter.
Okay. You go in, and I'll guide the perimeter. Remember that one from Perfect Dark? The perimeter. Of course, Taugi, you would skate uphill, not down the hill.
Oh, you don't have to stand like right at it. I mean, so they can see the road going around. No, not like that.
Fine. Yeah, quickly scan. Came from back there. You can see the pipe. Okay.
Dangerous like this at all?
No, not really.
Like if someone's walking their dog, they're gonna be like, attack!
See, this is why we shouldn't have bought Arizona in case that happened. Lifelong story. Dun 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 dun. You know, this is a video of the perimeter, not you rollerblading.
Well, I was saying how watching it.
Well, I don't want to run or else they really can't see.
That's why I'm going slow.
Hey, that ball over there. What is it? There's the ball.
I don't know, it's big.
Terry, show the ball so they don't know we're crazy.
What?
Okay, there's the ball. We're not crazy. Trust me. We're only half crazy.
I almost tripped.
Do 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 do. You know, we're going the oblong way. No one really ever walks this way. They always walk the other.
What?
Everyone always walks the other way.
We're special.
Now you know everyone walks the other way and we're special. And right over there would be that flat rock we said earlier.
Street sweeper. Yeah. We need the street sweeper to come.
No, we need the frickin' people to asphalt it again. Then it's real good. There's pretty much a story for all one of these houses, by the way. Here's some cars. Let's stare at them.
Let's go. Come on, the video, you're killing my guy.
I know. By the way, that battery sign means it's almost out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys may be fucked soon. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Come on, keep
Dun,
walking.
dun, dun. There he is. I don't know what these people are doing. Yeah, I would actually probably be biking, except I kind of need to show you guys this. Except for the fact that, you know, probably look like this if I was biking. So I'm walking. Here we go. That's where our friend Chris lived. The friend that hired or went to the same place I went to in the beginning. Okay. Coming up, if you see those pine trees, that was actually where we first played and actually did Nate's Forever crap.
They ripped me.
It came off?
No, no, this one doesn't have any. Never had any. This was in the road.
Well, someone was... Anyways, we used to actually work. You could go on those pine trees, rest, and we actually tried to create cement. This is pretty much where it was first invented. It was right there.
Those are dicks.
Yep. Until that lady decided to kick us out, because apparently it's not ours, it's someone else's.
There's a shovel in there.
There's a shovel, probably.
Stop filming the neighbor. I'm gonna call the cops on you. You know how the neighbors are.
Oh, not all them are that bad. Very much the friend neighbors. There's the ditch.
You can't go backwards on these, well, or on this road.
There's the last remnants of snow you can ever have. Okay. I can see Taugi's car from here. Dun 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 dun. Remember that song? And do you remember that house? What's so special about it?
People keep moving in and out and no one can stay there for more than like 2 months.
Well, yeah, that's the same one by the teachers. By Christmas houses. Christmas house, huh?
That's when it started sinking.
Oh, well, that, and it's where we bought Monopoly.
Oh, yeah.
See? We bought Monopoly there. Okay, let's go. They own dogs. They come into our property.
Oh, and for those of you who are wondering, yeah, I normally do have these headphones attached to me.
Yeah, I know. He looks like a punk-ass bitch.
I suppose the stick doesn't help.
We're gonna go rob a car now. You wanna watch? Because I think that would be pretty fun. Okay, come on. See that car right there? We gotta rob it. Actually, you know what?
No.
Let's not rob the car. Let's rob
Hey,
that house. Nope. Hold on. This house over here.
Shut off before you get someone's like number or something.
Okay. Yeah, there. That's the house. Okay. No, don't worry. I didn't show the license plate. Let's walk up. And last shot. Taugi and our little doggy greeting. See? Little doggy. Yay, doggy! 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 Say hi to the camera.
Montana, you're on film.
Okay. Yes, you're a good doggy. We love you. Okay. Quick shot.